What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about whitetail deer hunting practice using a lever action rifle from Henry, as well as some very cool targets from Effective Range Targets. If you're new to the channel here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearm related. So if you're into that sort of thing, jump down and hit that subscribe button below. While you're there, if you want to keep up with new content on the channel, go ahead, click that notification bell as well. Going to be using my Henry steel frame lever action rifle, and if you remember from recent videos, I have upgraded the sights on that rifle to the much more conducive for me anyway, Skinner Alaskan peep sights. Before we get to any live fire with this rifle though, let's go over real quickly how these effective range targets work. Right away you'll notice that with these targets there's going to be a silhouette of an animal, and so there's a reason that the different targets are for different animals, because the vital size of that particular game animal is going to be a little different, right? The one we have here is obviously the whitetail deer. Right away you'll notice a set of rings. You've got a really big outer ring and then some smaller rings as you get more toward the center of the target. The outer ring, 100-yard ring. The next one in going to be 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and so forth. The idea here is to fire 5 shots at 100 yards, and wherever those 5 shots land within any of those rings is going to be your effective range for hunting that particular game animal. The ethical range from which you could really take a shot, because you don't want to take a bad shot that's going to land in a non-vital area, obviously. Also, you'll notice that there is some little dots in a vertical line down at the bottom of the target, and these represent your point of aim for those that might have scopes or sights that are sighted in 2 inches high, 3 inches high, or even 4 inches high at 100 yards. With all that out of the way, let's sling some lead down range. Now, just a quick caveat that here on my range, I've only got a max of 75 yards, but for demonstration purposes today, we're going to make it work. Now, to replicate shooting from a deer blind, I'm going to shoot rested from this here barricade. We're going to start out using some Federal Power Shock ammunition. This is going to be a 150 grain soft point. Before we get onto that though, safety first. Got my eyes on and put my ears in, and we'll be ready to go. Here we are downrange, taking a look at the shots I just took with that Federal ammunition, and pretty good group. They're a little bit low, but all of them fell within that 200-yard, that effective range ring for the vital area, and I'm pleased with that, because odds are I'm not going to be getting an opportunity to take a shot at a whitetail deer at anything out to 200 yards anyway. A quick question of the day, so jump down in the comments below. Let me know how you feel about whitetail deer hunting with a lever action rifle chambered in 30-30 Winchester. Now let's move on to another flavor of ammunition. This is going to be from Browning's, what they call their BXR. It is a 155 grain, what they call a rapid expanding matrix tip. Here we are downrange, taking a look at the Browning ammunition, and group size really similar to that Federal ammunition. Point of impact was a little bit closer to the point of aim, which is nice. So yeah, good group size. As far as the effective range rings, all 5 shots well within the 400-yard ring, and pretty safe to say I'm not going to be taking a shot with a 30-30 Winchester at no whitetail deer at 400 yards. So 100, 150 yards out should be good to go once again. There you go, crew. Little whitetail deer hunting practice with an effective range target using the Henry steel frame lever action rifle chambered 30-30 Winchester. As always, if you have anything to add to the conversation, you can do that in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.